Hey, kitchen crew! We hunted Amazon to find the latest, genuinely useful gadgets. Think multi-cookers that crisp and steam, stand mixers that pull double duty, and organizers that reclaim counter space. No gimmicks, just tools that save time, taste better, and clean up faster. If you love smart upgrades and value picks, you're in the right place. Smash subscribe, drop a comment with your favorite, and let's jump in. Links below. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 30. Ninja Foodi FlexBasket 7-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The FlexBasket brings 2-zone cooking to a single 7-quart drawer. Drop in the divider to air fry veggies and protein at once, or pull it out for family-sized batches. 6 presets cover crisping, roasting, baking, reheating, and more, while Smart Finish syncs foods so everything lands hot together. Cleanup is easy with non-stick parts. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it replaces a sheet pan and toaster oven in one compact footprint, speeding weeknights without heating up the whole kitchen. Number 29. Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. The ChefMaker blends air frying with Combi Cook intelligence, controlling heat, airflow, and atomized steam for tender insides and crisp exteriors. One-tap chef modes guide time and temperature for steak, salmon, chicken, and veggies, while a built-in probe nails doneness. The 6-quart basket fits family portions without hogging counter space, and the clear window lets you watch the sizzle. App connectivity adds notifications and profiles. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it delivers restaurant-style results consistently, even for beginners, and replaces appliances. Number 28. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer. The ClearCook window and interior light let you watch food as it crisps, while even crisp airflow makes textures golden and tender. This 6-quart Vortex Plus fits family portions without hogging counter space, and odor-reducing filters help keep cooking smells in check. One-touch programs simplify wings, veggies, and reheats, and the basket wipes clean. Preheat reminders and audible cues reduce guesswork. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it's reliable, space-efficient, and transparent, literally, so you know exactly when dinner is ready. Number 27. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. CREAMi Deluxe turns frozen bases into ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and milkshakes with a quick spin, and a re-spin button for extra smoothness. Add candies or nuts with the mix-in function for custom pints on demand. Multiple settings handle lighter, dairy-free, or high-protein recipes. Pints store neatly in the freezer so you can batch flavors ahead. It's a smart Amazon kitchen gadget because it gives you control over sugar and texture while delivering parlor-quality desserts at home for families and cravings. Number 26. GE Profile Opal 2 Nugget Ice Maker. Chewable nugget ice elevates coffee, cocktails, and smoothies, and Opal 2 makes it at home with sleek countertop style. The side tank reduces refills on party days, and the app lets you schedule batches or get alerts. A clear bin shows when it's time to scoop. Noise levels are kitchen-friendly too. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it transforms everyday drinks, keeps guests happy, and saves last-minute store runs for bagged ice, all with minimal setup and simple cleaning. Number 25. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Maker. Drop a capsule, choose your strength, and Bartesian shakes bar-quality cocktails with real spirits. No sticky syrups or guesswork. The machine reads each pod and dials bitters, citrus, and sweet notes automatically, so old fashions and margaritas land consistent every time. Swappable water lines and rinse cycles keep flavors clean. Cleanup is fast with dishwasher-safe parts where applicable. It's a standout Amazon kitchen gadget because it turns entertaining into push-button ease, letting you host like a pro without stocking a dozen mixers. Number 24. KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. The iconic 5-quart Artisan packs 10 speeds, a tilt head design for easy bowl access, and planetary mixing that reaches every edge. Whip meringue, knead dough, or mashed potatoes, then use the power hub for spiralizing, grinding, or juicing with optional attachments. Included beater, dough hook, and whisk cover day one essentials. The all-metal build and timeless colors suit any kitchen. It's a must-have Amazon gadget because it replaces multiple tools, handles sweet and savory tasks, and elevates bakes from good to wow. Number 23. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Vitamix 5200 is the classic workhorse. Variable speed plus a tamper to keep thick blends moving. Pulverize fibrous greens into silky smoothies, churn nut butter, or whirl hot soup by friction alone. No stove required. The tall, narrow jar creates a powerful vortex for consistent textures. Cleanup is straightforward, and parts are designed for daily use. It's a top Amazon kitchen gadget because it lasts for years, handles daily abuse, and upgrades everything from weekday smoothies to weekend meal prep sauces with pro-level consistency. Number 22. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This countertop convection beast air fries, roasts, toasts, dehydrates, and proofs dough with Precision Element IQ heating. 2-speed convection fans circulate hot air for faster, crispier results, and the spacious cavity fits a sheet pan or a 14-inch pizza. Intuitive controls and an interior light keep you in command. Air fry trays and crumb pans slide out for quick cleaning. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it can replace the toaster, air fryer, and second oven, freeing space while expanding what you can cook. Number 21. Instant Pot Duo plus 6-quart 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. 9-in-1 versatility lands pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, rice, yogurt, steaming, and warming in a single 6-quart pot. Updated safety features and easy one-touch programs simplify soups, beans, and fall-apart meats. A delay start and keep warm make timing flexible on busy days. The updated display is easy to read, and the stainless inner pot stands up to heavy use. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it compresses hours into minutes, turning tough cuts budget-friendly and meal prep simple. Number 20. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 8-quart 11-in-1 with air fryer lid. Pressure cook, then switch to the air fryer lid to crisp. No transferring pans or losing heat. The 8-quart capacity fits family meals while sauté, steam, slow cook, roast, dehydrate, and bake modes cover weeknights to weekends. An upgraded display and sturdy stainless pot with easy grip handles make everyday use feel premium. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it consolidates multiple appliances, shortens cook times, and finishes recipes with restaurant-style crunch in a single space-saving footprint. Number 19. Meter plus Smart Meat Thermometer. A truly wireless probe tracks internal and ambient temps, while the base boosts Bluetooth up to 165 feet. The app walks you through targets, carryover cooking, and rest times, so steaks, chicken, and roasts land juicy, not guessy. Alerts hit your phone when to pull and serve. Dishwasher-friendly cleanup seals the deal. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it takes the anxiety out of proteins, improving consistency, whether you cook in the oven, on the stovetop, or out on the grill. Number 18. ThermoPro TP 19H Waterproof Digital Meat Thermometer. Flip-out probe, big backlit screen, and auto-rotating display make temps easy to read at any angle. It's fast, accurate, and IP65 waterproof, so splashes and sink rinses won't end it. A magnetic back sticks to the fridge while motion wake saves battery life. From steaks and candy to fryer oil checks, it's a daily driver. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it's affordable, durable, and removes the guesswork from doneness. An instant upgrade for beginners and seasoned home cooks alike. Number 17. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Pump to spin, press to break. Dry greens in seconds for crisper salads and better dressing cling. The non-slip base keeps the bowl steady, and the clear bowl doubles as an attractive server for the table. A snug lid and removable basket make washing and drying herbs, berries, and lettuce simple. Parts nest for tidy storage. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it turns limp, wet leaves into salad bar fresh greens, cutting prep time while improving texture and flavor. Number 16. OXO Good Grips Good Gravy 4-Cup Fat Separator. An integrated strainer catches bits while a stopper keeps fat from sneaking into the spout. Clear markings simplify measuring pan drippings, and heat-resistant bisphenol A-free construction handles gravy right from the roasting pan. Pop it in the dishwasher when dinner's done, It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it removes excess grease with almost no effort, delivering cleaner sauces and gravies. Exactly what you need for holiday roasts, weeknight braises, and any recipe where silky pan sauce makes the meal. Number 15. KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. Cut the cord and mix anywhere. No outlet hunting. 7 speeds cover whipping cream to folding batter, and soft start reduces splatter when you kick things on. A rechargeable battery tackles multiple recipes on a charge, and the compact stand anywhere design slips into small kitchens. Beaters eject easily for quick cleanup. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it frees your workflow, handles everyday baking without a bulky stand mixer, and keeps counters clear for prep, plating, and plating shots. Number 14. KitchenAid Spiralizer Plus attachment with peel, core, and slice. Snap it into your KitchenAid's power hub and turn apples, zucchini, and potatoes into spirals, slices, and ribbons. Stainless steel blades deliver consistent cuts, while the optional peeler cores and peels in one pass for pies and gratins. Most parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup stays painless. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it unlocks low-carb noodles, picture-perfect garnishes, and faster prep for slaws and salads, expanding what your stand mixer can do far beyond baking. Number 13. Fullstar All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Swap blades to dice, julienne, and slice. The catch tray keeps counters clean and measures as you go. A safety guard and non-slip base protect fingers and stabilize cuts, while bisphenol A-free construction washes up quickly. From salsa and mirepoix to salad toppers, it standardizes knife work in minutes. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it saves real prep time, especially for bulk chopping and meal prep, delivering uniform pieces that cook evenly and look pro in the bowl. Number 12. NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. A compact 900-watt motor powers through frozen fruit, nuts, and greens for silky smoothies in seconds. Twist on a to-go lid and you're out the door. Perfect for busy mornings. The cups and blades clean fast with a quick rinse, and the small footprint stores easily. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it encourages daily healthy habits without overtaking your counter, giving you consistent blends for shakes, sauces, and quick protein hits whenever you need them. Number 11. Cuisinart 2-quart Ice Cream Maker. Simple, reliable, and roomy. Freeze the bowl, pour in your base, and churn up to 2 quarts of ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt. The wide spout makes add-ins easy, and a powerful motor handles thick mixes. Cleanup is straightforward, and the stainless exterior looks sharp on the counter. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it hands you ingredient control, dairy-free, low sugar, or indulgent, and turns dessert night into a fun ritual with consistent results batch after batch. Number 10. Kosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Designed for pour-over perfection, this gooseneck kettle pairs precise flow control with app-connected temperature presets. Set your target heat from the VSync app, start remotely, or use hold temp to keep water ready between pours. The stainless steel interior resists flavors, and auto shutoff adds peace of mind. A balanced handle and slender spout make slow spirals easy for cleaner extractions. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it automates repeatable coffee quality without taking over your countertop. Number 9. Fellow Stag EK G Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Barista-level temperature control meets minimalist design. The Stag EKG's proportional integral derivative controller keeps water rock steady, while the precision spout and counterbalanced handle deliver effortless, consistent pours. A simple dial selects temperature, and the hold option keeps it hot for service. It heats quickly, looks gorgeous, and makes coffee and tea bloom properly every time. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it upgrades daily brewing from guesswork to ritual, highlighting flavor in everything from delicate green tea to dense pour-overs. Number 8. OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale. Recipe accuracy starts here. This 11-pound scale measures in small increments, has a pull-out display so bowls don't cast shadows, and features an easy tear button to zero containers between ingredients. Swap grams ounces instantly for international recipes, and wipe the smudge-resistant stainless platform clean after messy bakes. Slim storage means it lives in a drawer, not on the counter. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it standardizes prep for better results. Bread dough, coffee doses, and weeknight portions alike. Number 7. Rubbermaid Brilliance 14-piece food storage containers. Crystal clear, stain-resistant containers that actually seal. Brilliance lids lock tight and stay leak-proof in bags, while built-in vents let you microwave splatter-free with the latches open. The modular shapes stack neatly, keeping fridges and pantries organized. Bisphenol A-free materials handle freezer, microwave, and dishwasher cycles without warping. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it protects leftovers, meal prep, and produce with zero drips. And the stackable footprint turns chaotic shelves into an easy grab-and-go system you'll use every day. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. 2 hot, handheld sandwiches in about 5 minutes, without a drive-thru. Layer bread, cheese, pre-cooked meat, and a cracked egg. The removable egg rings cook and release neatly when the timer dings. Non-stick plates wipe clean fast, and the compact body stores upright. Great for busy mornings, dorms, or feeding picky eaters. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it turns basic ingredients into cafe-style breakfast, saving time and money while delivering consistent, customizable results for couples or meal preppers. Number 5. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Soft, medium, or hard, with poach and omelet options too. Add water using the included measuring cup, press start, and a buzzer lets you know when eggs are ready. Steam cooks cleanly, shells peel easier, and the compact design fits small kitchens. Trays and parts are simple to rinse. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it removes doneness guesswork and batch cooks protein for breakfast, salads, and snacks. Perfect for meal prep, student life, or anyone chasing fast, reliable results. Number 4. Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain Clip-on Strainer. Clip, tip, done. This silicone strainer snaps onto pots and pans so you can drain pasta, vegetables, and grease with one hand. No bulky colander hogging the sink. Heat-resistant grips cling securely, while the low-profile shape fits in a drawer. It handles large capacities surprisingly well and cleans up in seconds. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it speeds nightly cooking and reduces dishes, turning messy pours into clean, controlled drains for tighter kitchens and time-crunched home cooks. Number 3. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Fizz on demand without lugging bottles home. Terra's Quick Connect cylinder snaps in effortlessly, and the tactile button lets you choose light, medium, or bold bubbles. Reusable bisphenol A-free bottles keep drinks fresh, and the slim design tucks neatly against a backsplash. Add citrus or syrups for custom spritzers. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it cuts plastic waste, saves storage space, and keeps sparkling water always on hand. Perfect for cocktail nights, family hydration, and zero-waste goals. Number 2. Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3. Clip the Nano to any pot, set your temperature, and walk away. Circulating water cooks steaks, salmon, eggs, and veggies edge to edge with impossible-to-miss doneness. The app adds guided recipes and remote control, while the compact wand stores in a drawer. Sear after sous vide for restaurant-style crusts. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it makes perfect repeatable, turning tough cuts tender, preventing overcooked fish, and freeing your hands for sides and sauces while the main cooks itself quietly. Number 1. Instant Milk Frother. Foam hot, foam cold, warm without frothing, or mixed cocoa, all in one compact unit. The nonstick interior wipes clean, a single button cycles modes, and the detachable whisk makes microfoam for lattes, flat whites, and iced drinks. It's quiet, fast, and countertop-friendly, turning grocery store milk into cafe-quality texture. It's a great Amazon kitchen gadget because it elevates daily coffee ritual on a budget, replaces pricier cafe runs, and unlocks barista-style drinks for you and guests in minutes. That's a wrap on today's Amazon kitchen upgrades. Tell us your favorite pick in the comments. All product links and current prices are in the description and pinned comment. Remember, they can change. If this helped your cooking routine, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next roundup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.